Redondo.
Empty beaches are a sign of the times in Southern California as most residents follow a statewide stay-at-home order. More than half of the 50 U.S. states are now under those orders intended to slow the spread of coronavirus. The federal government extended until April 30th its guidance that people maintain social distancing. With the number of confirmed cases and deaths rising, one of the country's top infectious disease experts says the final toll could be very high.
Looking at what we're seeing now, I would say between 100 and 200,000 cases, but I don't want to be held to that because it's deaths. I mean, we're going to have millions of cases, but I just don't think that we really need to make a projection when it's such a moving target.
Governors like New York's Andrew CUOMO painted a sobering picture.
I don't see how you get past that curve without seeing thousands of people pass away.
Louisiana is already running short on hospital space.
We're on a trajectory currently to exceed our capacity in the New Orleans area for ventilators by about April the 4th, and all beds available in hospitals by about April the 10th.
Michigan's Detroit Auto Show is canceled, and the convention center where it's usually held will be converted to a field hospital.
We see this astronomical rise. We've got hospitals that are already at capacity.
Illinois' governor said he desperately needs more testing kits.
The White House has promised millions of tests for weeks now, and they're just not here.
In a briefing, President Donald Trump made the shocking and unsubstantiated claim that the shortage of masks and other protective equipment in hospitals may be because nurses and hospital staff are stealing them.
They've been delivering for years 10 to 20,000 masks. Okay, it's a New York hospital, it's packed all the time. How do you go from 10 to 20 to 300,000? 10 to 20,000 masks to 300,000, even though this is different. Something's going on, and you ought to look into it as reporters. Where are the masks going? Are they going out the back door? I don't think it's hoarding. I think it's maybe worse than hoarding.
Earlier, Trump tweeted with evident pride that his daily briefings were getting great television ratings, higher than some popular reality shows. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera.